Do you want to make money in the same way that we do? $100, $200, and even up to $700 are possible. If that is the case, then this video is for you. Today's money-making technique is completely free and can be used endlessly. You can do this as many times as you want until you get tired of doing it. It's really straightforward and quick, just the way you like it. You do not need any special abilities or previous expertise to do this, so don't be concerned about it at all. The best part is that this method is entirely free of charge. You do not need to worry about spending even a small dime. This service is completely free. There is no requirement to invest anything or make any cash advances. It is absolutely free. All that is required of you to do is follow the step-by-step process that we will be discussing in this video today. Since we will be guiding you through the entire process today, we are confident that you will enjoy this strategy as much as we have enjoyed discovering it ourselves, and we're delighted to be able to share it with you. This approach is available to people all around the world, so make sure to do this process after watching this video and let us know how it went for you. We will be showing you a bonus tip that you can do to further maximize your earnings, and we're going to provide it to you absolutely free. Make sure you stay until the very end if you don't want to miss out on anything important. The steps are straightforward, but they are detailed. To avoid becoming confused about today's method, make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end. Also, make sure not to skip any part of this video to avoid missing any important details. Because if you do, then your chances of earning money will be gone. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that we will be using today is called Capterra. Capterra is the world's leading software reviews and selection platform. It helps people find specific software, compare options, and read reviews of different software that are available on the market. Get the facts. Feel confident with the most comprehensive software search resource out there. Read real opinions. Capterra has over 1 million verified software reviews from other people just like me and you. 100% free to use. So what this website does is help you find specific software that you want to use. For example, we want to use an email marketing software to help us market our product through email easily. Capterra will give you a list of a bunch of software that you can use for email marketing. You can see different ratings for each software, and you can compare two software to see which is much better. You can also read reviews from people who also use the software. If you want more information about this website, you can just scroll down their main page and look and read at all the available information. So make sure to read this information to learn more about this website before getting started. So basically what we're going to do here today is to just write reviews for different software. They will literally just pay you for your honest assessment of each software. If you scroll to this section right here, you can find the software categories that are available in this website. As seen here, there are tons of software categories to choose from, so you will not run out of software to review. Neat, right? For example, you could write reviews about the software on accounting and finance, hotel and travel, agriculture and animal, human resources and talent, and hundreds of other topics from which you could practically pick and choose. Writing a review is not complicated at all. All you need is basic English knowledge or Google Translate if you have a hard time understanding some words. And that is the only thing that you need to do. Now, we want you to look at the top of the homepage and click on Write a Review. So please do that. The moment that you click on it, you will be sent to a page where you may do a search for any product that you wish to evaluate. What's great about this is that you have complete control over what you write about, which means your review will make more sense because you'll be writing about something that you know and care about. We will be writing a review about PowerPoint. We recommend that you enter the term PowerPoint. This should appear as soon as you click search. And furthermore, we want you to concentrate on PowerPoint, so don't be shy and give it a try. Once you click on it, you'll be sent to this page where you can immediately write a review about your experience. That's how simple it is. For those who missed it, you may use this method on your smartphone as well. For those who don't own a laptop or computer, this may be done with your phone. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Anyway, returning to the video, if you click on Write a Review, you will be redirected to this page, where you should fill up the necessary information to join. So we need your first name, last name, email address, and job title, which we want you to enter as freelancer. We fill up the job title because they will not accept your application if you do not have a job title. And you will not be able to earn $700 PayPal money. Next is your organization name, which we will put as self-employed. On the industry option, you may put any industry or sector that you are currently in. Otherwise, simply click computer software since you're going to be writing a review for a software. Company size, just enter myself. And for the other question, how long have you used this software? Just put in 6 to 12 months so that you will be guaranteed to be accepted and get paid. In what capacity do you use Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure to choose both presentation and productivity option. How frequently do you use this software? Just pick the weekly option. And lastly, for the question of what is your role in using the software, just choose the option I am a user. Now make sure that these are the choices that you have made. These choices are critical since they clearly have standards or expectations. And if you want to be accepted, simply make sure you stick to the options we offered you. Then once that is completed, click on the next button. And the next step is for you to rate the software as a user. And if possible, just rate the software a 5 for each category. Even though it says optional, we strongly advise that you rate it a 5 since they will count that. Now for this section, just rate all of these as 5 stars and high importance. It will only take you a few clicks and it takes no time at all. You can be done doing this in less than minutes. For pricing, just rate it to mid-tier. And on how likely do you recommend it to other people, just rate it a 9 or a 10. Because to us, it is a fantastic piece of software and we would definitely suggest it to our friends. And then click on next and you finished step 2. Now the third and the last stage, it is the most important, is to produce your own review. You're going to come up with a title. What is your favorite feature of the software? The pros and cons, and describe your overall experience with the software. Now, do you still remember the bonus tip that we will be giving you? We will be giving you a template of what you will be answering for these questions. This is a script that has been already created for you. You can copy and paste it onto the review and you can get easily accepted. Just pause this video to copy this template so that you won't have a hard time thinking of the pros and cons of the software. We have done it for you. Another tip that we can give you is to go back to the software page and copy the reviews of other people, but not word for word. You can paraphrase it or add your word onto it or a little bit of both. Once you have completed your own review using the 2 tips that we have mentioned, you can now submit your review. All you need to do now is wait for the confirmation for your review, and after they approve it, then you are now paid. Easy, right? You basically just need to click a few buttons and you do not even need to type. So, what are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots and lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.